guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing a house tour. So remember, my house is not finished right now at all, so let's start. So first we have this plant, which it's kind of fun reading it, I guess. And then we have this room, which is not finished yet. I don't even know what it's about to be, but I just had this extra space between the garage and the house, so yeah. I just made that room. Then, as you can see, there was a kitchen there, and then this is the bathroom. This is the downstairs bathroom. It's actually has a shower, and I just need to take a shower real quickly. Then we have the living room, and if you could see that glass door over there, it was supposed to go to the outside, but I'm gonna make that soon. And then the kitchen again. And then going upstairs, we have the guest rooms. First we have the toddler guest room over here, really nice. Then we have the kid guest room, got the desk and stuff. Basically those two are the same except for the bed and the side tables. And then we have the teen guest room. And then my room, which I haven't started yet. But like there's the little closet space, I guess. She has a bunk bed with a laptop and a phone underneath it. Or not a bunk bed, a loft bed. And yeah. So that's pretty much all my guest rooms. So I hope you guys liked this video.